Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, what the daily candle doing, guys, after that Liz Truss of UK resign. So the economic is showing a little bit of healthiness, but it's not yet, guys. As we still in a uncertainty level, there is nothing confirmed yet. And as you see here, what the market is telling you, look, all those days, also we are in sideways market. There is no going up, no going down. And told you all those things before. I told you in Friday there is the expiration date of the option, and about $580 million is going to expire of Bitcoin. So we're going to see if it's going to come to the market like last time how it happened here. If those people, when the market is going to expire, they will buy. That meant that the bottom where we are here, at that level where we are here, or no, that meant they will hedge in against the risk. That meant you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down more, guys, than that. So I think everything is too clear till here. So if you remember last time when it expired here, the buying, look, the Bitcoin till where it went till here. Then after that, he fell down here to that level here, but that Friday is going to expire again. The options about $580 million. So we're going to see either they will buy here and the market is going to go higher and it's going to break for us that level, as we said, the one here. That meant all those people, they are waiting here. They are going to enter. If it's not, also we are not going to enter, guys. Unless if it's breaking for us the trend line here. The one here I told you before. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter. And yes, also here we're still in a very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it, guys. And I want to tell it to you before that the one is the last defense for the Bitcoin to fall down to 10k. So let's hope it's going to still holding here. So here in the daily, guys, for long-term investors, it's not yet. Maybe in the short term, in the 4 hours or 30 minutes, we will find opportunities to enter. But for long-term investment, it's not yet. And for long-term investment, I advise you to start DCA because you don't know. Maybe that one is going to be the bottom. Maybe 10k. We don't know exactly, guys. But let me be honest a little bit. Fundamental, guys, and macroeconomical, the world, it doesn't look that great. Fundamental, you see the Fed, they said they are going to increase interest rate more in the coming month, and the winter is in the door in Europe, and Europe is still facing big problems of energy, and majority of the governments of Europe, they are in big pressure those days. See what's happening in Germany, you see what's happening in Italy, you see what's happening in France. So a lot of problems they face in those ones. So instability and fundamental, the world, it doesn't look that great. And China, it might do it close some parts of some cities because the coronavirus. So we don't know what's going to happen. And geopolitical, the war between Russia and Ukraine, it doesn't go to end yet. There is no plan for it to finish soon. That's what I told you, guys. It's not yet. We need to wait in a little bit. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, you, I'm talking to you. Are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated what the Bitcoin market doing or crypto market in general doing. It's very simple, my friend. A red button down, click at it. You're going to become subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be the first one who get our notification. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what the same for pictures to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, we tell it to you before we got here a divergence that it's indicating the market is going to reverse. But should you enter, guys? No. Also, we are here at the oversold, yes. And we say that one thousands of times. That way, I don't show you the other one because there is nothing there. And here, we told you the only price action is that one. It needs to come to break here. If it doesn't break in here, also we are not going to enter, guys. Remember my word. If it doesn't break in here, also we are not going to enter, guys. Everything is too clear? Now let's go into the 4 hours, guys, to see what is it there for pictures to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, If you remember what I told you here in the last videos, I told you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Yes, guys or no? And what the Bitcoin is showing here, a red pin bar. It zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Like that, what that pin bar indicating to you? It's indicating to you that the market is going to reverse. Then it came that green candle next to it. That green candle, it's indicating and confirm for me, oh, the market is going to reverse. So look at it, what it done. You can tell here. Now, here, either to break the 200 moving average and to go higher, or from here to go back down, guys. So here in the 4 hours, what should you do, my friend? Nothing. There is nothing confirmed here in the 4 hours, guys. Because here in the 4 hours, if you remember what else we said here. Also, we said here, you got here, like that, a trend line. If it doesn't break it up, there is no entry yet, guys. Yes or no? And also, we enter from that candle, guys, here. And we put the stop loss of us down here in that the lower of that candle. It came here to that place. I told you take some of the profit. Yes or no? Look at it. It fell down till here. Now it's showing a reverse. Yes or no? Now either from here is going to break the 200 moving average and it's going to go higher, or from here is going to fall down to give you another low, guys. It's going to do like that. A low, a high, then after that another low. So should you buy, my friend? No. The buy it be in here, guys, in that candle. Now, also we waiting either to break higher or to fall down to hit that stop loss. And here also we taking some of the profit, guys. Man, even if it's hitting the stop loss for us, also we are not going to lose nothing. Also we take the profit, guys. We just still holding if it go more higher, guys. And to know that plans, me I'm talking about take some of the profit and those things. In our investing course, we explain those things very well, my friend. The investing course is in the first comment if you want to learn how to invest in Bitcoin. And we show you a lot of money management tactics, guys, there. You can find it online. People, they sell it to you by millions of dollars. Also, we give it to you by 13 bucks, my friend. So now what should you do here in the 4 hours, guys? Nothing. And what our friend is telling you here down, look at it. Our friend is the volume, guys. What is telling you? Who's still winning here? Is the red, guys. Yes or no? Look at it. The reds, they are winning. Even those green candles, they came. But what they showing those green candles? It came that one, then after that one, then that one. They showing the momentum is getting lower and lower, guys. Yes or no? By the way, the candle which is going now, it's left for it 1 hour. If it's finished like that, you're going to see another drop, guys. Everything is too clear here. It's going now to see our indicators, guys, what they saying for the picture to be more clear to you. The one here, guys, as you remember, when it touch here, also we're taking some of the profit here. Then he fall down. Look at it. He enter here to the place where is the bears, they controlling, guys. Yes or no? Now he came back. Is it inside that wall? That wall, what was we saying here? We said both of them, the bears and the bulls, they are equal, guys. No one of them is winning now. At this time, also we don't need to do nothing. We just need to looking at the market, what it's doing, guys. Then after that, if it's breaking higher or breaking lower, we need to make a decision, guys. And I'm going to come back to you after the daily candle finish it, guys. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification. So when there is a new video going to be updated, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. The one here, also we enter when we used to be here. Over here, we're taking some profit here in that peak here. Now, as you see it, guys, also we are in the middle here. There is no buying, no selling now. Also now we need to wait in, guys. And what did I tell in the previous videos, guys? Look at it. I told you got like that. A very clear triangle like that. Yes or no? I told you either to break up or to come to break down. Did it break up? Not yet. Did it break down? Not yet, my friend. So should you buy? No, unless if it came and breaking here, buy, will buy. If it came down here and breaking lower, well, enter short, guys. Everything is too clear because it might, if it's breaking down here, we are going to go to 10K, guys, or 15K. 10 now, also the Bitcoin is still very stronger, holding in that level here between 17K till 19K, guys. The Bitcoin is still very stronger in that level. And it show a big fighting against to fall down to 10K, guys. So now what should you do, guys? Nothing. Just wait and wait and wait till the right moment came, guys. I'm talking here about swing trading, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see 30 minutes if there is any scalping or day trading opportunity there, guys. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And here in 30 minutes, if you remember what I told you in the last video. Here and here I give you a signal, guys. I told you if it's breaking up, I told you down, don't enter. It came down. It's breaking down. Yes, it's being a fake breakout here. Let's zoom it a little bit. Sorry. I told you we have here a triangle like that. Here. Not the last video, you can find it there. It came down, it breaking down. It's been a fake breakout. Then it came up, breaking up. Although from here you enter, my friend. From here, although you enter long. Yes or no? Now you are in profit, guys. And here now, what it giving you? Look with me here. What I'm going to draw here, guys. Here, here, and here. It gives you head and shoulder, guys. Yes or no? It's very, very, very clear. Let me show it to you. You change it from candles to line like that, and you zoom it like that a little bit. Look now, guys. Doesn't look to you head and shoulder now? That the first shoulder here. Look at it. That the head. That another shoulder, guys. It's very clear head and shoulder here, guys. You see it? And now what it's showing to you? It's showing to you it's breaking higher of it. Breaking here. So now to calculating, guys, just come here to here like that. Then you do it like that. So it's going to go till here, guys. Till that zone here, exactly here. The last high, which is here. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's change it to the candles to explain to you more. So the Bitcoin is going to go till that zone here, guys. Till here exactly. Remember my word. Why? Because look at the 200 moving average. What's showing to you guys here? Look at it. We're drawing a horizontal line like that. Is the same like the 200 moving average, guys. And what else we told you guys before? We told you the market, guys, it's falling sideways or resting or ranging or name it whatever you call it. Then after that, there is either a big going up or a big dropping, guys. Yes or no? And now here in that level where we are, what it's showing to you guys? Look at it. Look at the 200 moving average. What it's doing here? It's being falling. Now look at it. It's resting, guys. Yes or no? And who tell you that? If you look in here at the chart, guys, what you seeing? What you seeing here, guys? Look at the chart. What it doing? It just sideways, guys. And the momentum is getting lower and lower and lower, guys. Now, a big power is going to come to the market, guys, either up or either down, guys. So if you are a very conservative person, now you just take few points in scalping and looking till the big opportunity came, then you enter. Because you don't know, and no one in this planet know exactly where the Bitcoin is going to go, guys. Everything is too clear? Let's see our indicators, guys. What the same for pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, it's being here at the oversold. Price action here is getting broken here. You enter. Now we are in profit, guys. And you're going to the overbought area, guys. When it's going to become at the overbought area here, you take the profit, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.